Just as keyboards continue to surge in popularity among typists and gamers due to their tactile precision and satisfying feedback, wireless backup cameras are gaining traction among drivers for their ease of installation, convenience, and enhanced safety. This guide evaluates video quality, installation method, connectivity, battery life, and night vision performance, helping you find the ideal camera for safer, stress-free reversing. Whether you're in an RV, truck, trailer, or car, this dvknm2 magnetic solar wireless backup camera, HD 1080p. The dvknm2 magnetic solar wireless backup camera is a premium dual camera system perfect for trailers, RVs, and large vehicles. It features two HD 1080p cameras with a solar-powered magnetic mount, allowing quick, cable-free installation in under 3 minutes. The 7-inch IPS monitor provides clear visuals, even in daylight, and supports DVR recording. A rare bonus at this price point, the system's rechargeable battery is efficient. Tip listener, dvknm magnetic solar wireless backup camera, HD 1080p. This single-camera version of dvknm's magnetic solar system is a fantastic solution for those who want all the top-tier features of the dual system, but at a more affordable price. The camera offers 1080p resolution, solar charging, and a 3-minute magnetic installation, making it ideal for trucks, trailers, and cars. The 7 inches IPS monitor provides crisp imagery and supports DVR recording. Wisdom wireless magnetic backup camera, 9,600 mAh rechargeable. If battery longevity is your priority, this 9,600 mAh wireless magnetic backup camera is built to last, with a powerful battery that delivers weeks of usage on a single charge. This device offers Bluetooth hitching, solar support, and HD waterproof imaging. Its installation is magnetic and wireless, perfect for trailers, boats, or trucks. The image quality is decent in daylight and holds up well in rain. List number: auto-vox solar wireless backup camera, 5-inch 1080p. Auto-vox delivers reliable wireless camera tech with this solar-powered backup camera kit. With a 5-inch HD 1080p screen, clear night vision, and an ultra-easy 2-minute DIY install, it's one of the most beginner-friendly systems available. The camera automatically charges in sunlight, and its real-time transmission minimizes delays. Its night vision and clarity make backing up safer, even in pitch-black environments. List number: backup camera, easy setup, plug-and-play, HD 1080p. As the name suggests, this plug-and-play backup camera